Guys, all good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the easy battery fix before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Easy Battery Fix works. What is Easy Battery Fix? Easy Battery Fix is a step-by-step digital guide that teaches you how to safely recondition and restore dead or weak batteries at home using simple tools. Created by electronics expert Daniel Hayes, it shows practical methods to bring a wide range of batteries back to life, from car and laptop batteries to power tools, solar units, and household devices. Unlike costly replacements, Easy Battery Fix focuses on helping everyday users understand how batteries work and how to extend their lifespan using affordable, eco-friendly techniques. The program is based on years of real-world testing in electronic recycling facilities, where discovered that most dead batteries can actually be revived. It's not a gadget or software, it's a complete instructional system that helps you save money, reduce electronic waste, and regain control over your devices. Whether it's a car that won't start or a laptop that won't hold a charge, this guide shows exactly how to bring your batteries back to full strength without professional tools or skills. How does Easy Battery Fix work? Easy Battery Fix teaches a proven process to revive old or dead batteries using simple, safe methods you can do at home. It works for car, laptop, solar, power tool, and rechargeable batteries. Diagnose the battery, learn how to test voltage and identify sulfation buildup. Remove residue, discover how to safely clean sulfation deposits that block charge flow. Recharge and recondition, follow the proper cycle to restore full power using common tools. Maintain long-term health, learn simple maintenance tricks to extend lifespan. Result: revived, long-lasting batteries that work like new again, an eco-friendly, cost-effective solution for everyone. Key benefits: save hundreds or even thousands of dollars on replacements. Works on nearly every battery type. Simple, beginner-friendly instructions. Environmentally responsible and reduces e-waste. Restores full battery power and performance. No expensive tools required. Lifetime access and free updates. Easy to follow for all ages. 60-day money-back guarantee. Gain independence by fixing your own batteries anytime. How to use it. Access the Easy Battery Fix guide online or offline. Identify your battery type. Test its condition using a multimeter. Follow the reconditioning steps. Recharge, test, and maintain it for a long life. End result: reliable, revived batteries that save money and help the planet.